whether all of you got the screen.
Dear professors, kindly respond so that we can start the program. Whether are you getting the screen or not?
It's a time-based game. When you have started means the time will gone. So kindly tell me whether all of you get the screen, Kahoot screen.
Ma'am, Hamita ma'am, Indumadi ma'am and Karpaka ma'am, both of them have said us yes ma'am.
Yes.
So
Okay.
they have got the. What about others? Professors, if you type it in the chat box, then it will be easier for us to go up.
Whether we can start playing our game, whether I can give a play, whether I can enable the play button. Since it is a time-based game, when I give play game, it will start counting the seconds. That's why I'm asking all of you, please
Sir,
reply it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
kindly type the game pin in the chat box, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I didn't go with play, ma'am. Whether I can go with play?
Ma'am, so far 6 participants have given yes, ma'am.
Whether I can start, whether I can enable the play game, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Now you can enable the play game and just give the
it
game.
Is asking enter game pin.
I can,
sir, we will give you,
give
sir.
it, sir. Wait. Wait a minute, it was loading.
Sir, please wait. We will give you the pin number. Dear professors, you can see the game pin in the screen now. So you can enter this pin.
After entering your pin, it is asking your name. You can type your name. So far, 8 participants have joined. Remaining members kindly join. Ten members have joined. Participants are nearly 40 members. Only 10 members have joined. Remaining members kindly please join in a faster. Dear professors, kindly join. I think the screen is visible to you. The game pin also available. All of them kindly join. Dear professors, 11 members only have connected. Remaining professors kindly get connected faster. Chandra ma'am, whether we can start, only 10 members have connected.
Okay, ma'am, we will start, ma'am. So others, if they want to join, so I have already typed in the chat box, ma'am. If they are joining means they can join it by using this pin number. So
Okay,
so far we have 11 members now, ma'am. 12
now
have joined, ma'am.
12 have joined.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let us start our game. Group of four. So our topic is National Educational Policy 2020. So you have 50 questions. The question is, under the chairmanship of whom Committee for Evaluation of the New Education Policy committed its report in May 2016. So you have 60 seconds. So whatever you know, you can answer it. So in your screen, you get a red color, blue color, and then I think we can make it as orange and then green. So 4 colors it will be there. You can click any one colors. Only 4 members have answered. Remaining kindly answer it. Now the seconds is 19. 15 seconds more.
Dear professors, 12 members have joined. Out of 12, only 4 have answered. Kindly answer.
7 members have answered.
7, ma'am. Now it is updating. Yes.
14 seconds more. Whatever answer you know, known you can press that particular color. Okay, the correct answer is late Sri TSR Subramanian. 2 of them have picked the correct answer out of 9 members. Okay, next question. We move to next question. second question, in NEP 2020, system to be replaced by a new curricular. What is the new curricular structure? It is an image.
I have given it in the chat box also, ma'am. Since it is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
clear, I have given it in the chat box.
The correct one is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. 5 of them have given a correct answer. Now the top scorer is BDK. So now we can move to the next question. Third one. So it is given 20 seconds, I think so. So make it fast. By which year the minimum degree qualification for teaching is going to be a 4-year integrated B.Ed degree. Time over. The answer is 2030. So now the fourth question. Who among the following was the chairman of newly constituted drafting NEP 2020 in June 2017? The time allotted for that is 60 seconds. So 8 of them have given the correct answer. Now the topper is Muthu. So fifth question is also, it is an image. According to National Education Policy 2020, by how much percent the gross enrollment ratio in higher education to be raised? According to National Educational Policy 2020, by how much percent the gross enrollment ratio in higher education to be raised?
Dear professors, you can refer the chat box also for the questions. If it is not visible, you can refer the chat box.
So 6 of them have got correct answer. The correct answer is 50. Now the topper is also Muthu. So next, sixth question. DAS will be created as an apex body for fostering a strong research culture and building research capacity across higher education as per NEP 2020. DAS will be created as an apex body for fostering a strong research culture and building research capacity across higher education as per NEP 2020. The options are National Commission Foundation, Higher Commission Education, National Research Foundation, none of the above. So the correct answer is National Research Foundation. 6 of them have got the correct answer. So now the topper is also Muthu. Up to 6 questions, topper is Muthu. So 7th question, what is pupil-teacher ratio PTR according to National Educational Policy 2020? 30:1, 25:1, 35:1, 40:1. Seventeen seconds more. So the correct answer is 30:1. 3 of them have given the correct answer. So now also the topper is Muthu. The next we can move to next question. 8th question, it is also a image. What is PTR? That is people-teacher ratio areas having large number of socio-economically disadvantaged students according to National Educational Policy 2020. What is PTR? Areas having large number of socio-economically disadvantaged students according to NEP 2020. Under 30:1. Options are under 30:1, under 25:1, under 35:1, under 40:1. So the last one is 40:1. Only 3 seconds more, 1 seconds more. So the correct answer is 25:1. 2 of them have given the correct answer. Now also the topper is Muthu. 9th question. NEP 2020 suggested school preparation module for all grade 1 students. What will be the duration of SPM? 3-month. Options are 3-month play based, 2-month play based, 1-month play based, 6-month play based. Only 3 of them, 7 members have given the answers. The seconds are 18 seconds or more. 10 seconds more. Time up. So the correct answer is 3-month play based. 5 of them have given the correct answer. So up to 9 questions, Professor Muthu have be the topper. So 10th question. For which class NEP 2020 suggested school preparation model to ensure school-ready students for all? For which class NEP 2020 suggested school preparation model to ensure school-ready students for all? Grade 9, grade 6, grade 3, grade 1. So the answer is grade 1. 3 of them are given the correct answer. So we move on to next question. So 11th question, it is also an email. I can give the question. NEP 2020 stated to establish a national repository of high quality resources on foundational literacy and numeracy on government digital platform. What is the name of government digital platform? NEP 2020 have given some government digital platform. What is that name is? And options are Nishita, Disha, Diksha, NCERT. So the correct answer is the third one, Diksha. Two of them we have given a correct answer. The topper is Harini, Professor Harini. So next we move on to 12th question. What is gross enrollment ratio for grades 9 to 10 according to NEP 2020? The options are 91.9 percentage, 90.9 percentage, 79.3 percentage, 79.9 percentage. So the correct answer is 79.3 percentage. Four of them have given a correct answer. So now the Harini ma'am have be the topper. So next 13th question. Gross enrollment ratio for grade 11 to 12 according to NEP 2020. The options are 91.9, 56.5, 90.9, 79.9. So the correct option is 56.5. Six of them have given the correct answer. So now back to that Muthu sir have got first position. Next question is gross enrollment ratio for grade 6 to 8 according to NEP 2020. So the correct answer is 90.9. 4 of them have given the correct answer. So now Muthu sir have be the first position. 15th question is also an image. How many school children in the age group of 6 to 17 years were out of the school according to 75th household survey by NSSO in 17 to 18th year?
Question is available in the chat box.
The answer is correct answer is 4.22 crore. 16th question. NEP 2020 set the goal to achieve 100% gross enrollment ratio in preschool to secondary level by 2025, 2030, 2035, 2040.
Ma'am, we can go to the answer. Amita ma'am.
Wait a minute. So the correct answer is 2030. So next is 17th.
Divya ma'am, you can see the question in the chat box also ma'am.
6 to 17 years age group. How many school children will be in the 6 to 17 years age group? According to 75th household survey by NSSO in 17 to 18th year. Sorry, I wrongly given the question. Which is a fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development? Which is a fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development? The options are wealth, social, education, finance. So the correct answer is education. Four of them have given the correct answer. Now also the Muthu sir have in the first position. So next 18th question. Dash will have the highest population of young people in the world over the next decade. The options are Germany, India, Russia, Canada. So the correct answer is India. 9 of them have given the correct answer. Now also the Muthu sir have be the first position. 19th question, image. The aim for India to have an education system by dash with equitable access to the highest quality education for all learners regardless of social or economic background. What is the aim of our India in education system with equitable access to the highest quality education for all learners, regardless of social or economic background. In which year it should be applicable, that that we have to give it. That is 2040 or 2050 or 2030 or 2070. So the correct answer is 2040. Four of them have given the correct answer. Now also Muthu sir in the first position. Next 20th question. Which policy lays particular emphasis on the development of the creative potential of each individual? Which policy lays particular emphasis on the development of the creative potential of each individual? Options are general policy, education policy, oriented policy, none of the above. Correct answer is education policy. Five of them have given the correct answer. The time for the individual question, it is varied. So all of them have note down the timing, and according to that you can answer it. So next question is, who must be at the center of the fundamental reforms in education system? Who must be at the center of the fundamental reforms in the education system? Students, teacher, or mentor? So the correct answer is teacher. One of them have given the correct answer. Now also Muthu sir in the top position. 22nd question, it is also an image. In Bala Vatika, for the age of 5, every child will have an ECCE qualified. The options, sorry, it is given in a which policy aims at producing engaged, protective, and contributing citizens for building an equitable, inclusive, and plural society as envisaged by our constitution? Which policy aims at producing engaged, protective, and contributing citizen? NEP 2009, NEP 1986, NEP 1992, NEP 2020. Final answer, correct answer is NEP 2020. Four of them have given the correct answer. Now also Muthu sir is top position. So this one is already dictated. For age 5, every child will have an ECC qualified. Who said that? So only 3 seconds more. So answer is teacher. Four of them have given the correct answer. Now BDK sir have got the first position. So 24th question. New policy aims for new universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school by. New policy aims for universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school by. The answer is 2030. Five of them have given the correct answer. BDK sir is in first position. So next question, who is the last minister of MHRD and first minister of education? Only 3 seconds more. Answer is second one, Ramesh Pokhriyal. Three of them have given the correct answer. BDK sir is in first position. So next question, 26th question. As per the policy, public investment in education will be increased from the current 4.3 percentage to 4.3 percentage to first one 5 percentage of 6.6 percentage of GDP, 5.6 percentage of GDP. So the correct answer is 6 percentage. None of them have given the correct answer. So the now also BDK sir is in first position. So consider the following statement relating to new educational policy committees. First one, Justice Verma Committee, TSR Subramanian Committee, Kasturi Rangan Committee, Ramaswamy Committee. So you have to select options. New Educational Policies Committee, which one are the options? So the correct answer is second and third only. That is TSR Subramanian and Ramaswamy Kasturi Rangan Committee. Three of them have given the correct answer. Now also BDK sir is in first position. 28th question. Vocational education will start from class 5th, class 8th, class 6th, class 7th. The option are class 6th. Three of them are given the correct answer. BDK sir is in first position. 29th question. Consider the following statement regarding the foundational pillars in NEP 2020. Accessibility, affordability, accountability, quality, access. The correct answer is last one. Three of them have given the correct answer. Indu ma'am have moved from third position to second position. BDK sir is in first position. 30th question. The NEP 2020 replaced the NEP 1986, NEP 1968, both A and B, none of the above. Time up. The correct answer is A, NEP 1986. Three of them have given the correct answer. Now Muthu sir is in first position. Next question. What will be the age of yearly childhood care and education in NEP 2020? 3 to 6 years, 2 to 6 years, 4 to 7 years, 3 to 8 years. Correct answer is 3 to 8 years. Three of them have given the correct answer. Muthu sir is in first position. Next 32 question. It is an image. Ministry of Education plan for attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy in all primary schools for all learners by grade 3 by. In which year Ministry of Education plan for attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy in all primary schools for all learners by grade 3. The options are 22, 25, 27 or 28 year. The seconds more as 8 seconds or more. Six of them have given the correct answer, 2025. Muthu sir is in first position. 33rd question, it is also an image. Consider the following statements regarding languages in NEP 2020. It will promote EK Bharat, Shrestha Bharat initiative, 3 language formula with greater flexibility. All classical languages will be available in school as options. Only 3 seconds more. So correct answer is all the 3. 8 of them have given the correct answer. Indu ma'am and VK sir have moved to second and third position. Muthu sir is in first position. 34th question. Public and private higher education institutions will be governed by only 8 seconds more. Correct answer is set of nodes. Eight of them have given the correct answer. Thirty-fifth question. Select a correct code. Consider the following statement regarding adult education in NEP 2020. First one is policy aim to achieve 100% youth and adult literacy, public library spaces for adult education courses, quality technology based options for adult learning.
Hello, Suresh sir. Sir, you can type Kahoot in the chat box and then you can type this pin number, sir. You are not able to see the quiz window. That's what you have written in the chat box, sir. So you can go to the Chrome and type it in the chat box.
Option 3 alone. 36th question. Ministry of MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resources Development, renamed as options are Ministry of Human Development, or Education, or Human Rights, or Human Capital. Correct answer is Ministry of Education. 9 of them have given the correct answer. 37th question. New policy aims in the higher education to improve the gross enrollment ratio from 26.3% to 50% by. பிக்சரா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? இங்கே இருந்து இது பண்ணு, விளையாட புரியும். Only 1 minute more. The correct answer is 2035. One of them have given the correct answer. Thirty-eight question. Select incorrect answer given code below. Consider the following statement relating to the medium of instruction in NE 2020. First one is medium of instruction until at least grade 5, but preferably till grade 8 and beyond, will be the home language or mother tongue local language. Instruction is mandatory. It is only for public school. So out of 3, which one is correct? You have to, sorry, which one is incorrect? You have to choose a incorrect answer. The correct answer is 2 and 3. Thirty-ninth question is board exam for grade 10 and 12 will be continued in NEP 2020. So time up. So the correct answer is continue with redesign. Three of them have given the correct answer. So 40th question, according to NEP 2020, which of the following statement is correct? Setting up of gender inclusion fund for female and transgender students, setting up of special education zones for large population from SCDGs. Gender Inclusion Fund or Special Education Zones. These are the two options. Which one is correct? So the answer is second only. 3 of them have given the correct answer. Ma'am, whether we can end the quiz, we can go with connection program, or we can continue for 10 questions.
Ma'am, now the time is 2:53, ma'am. If you continue with this means it will be end with 3:30. So we will go to the connection program.
Connection program. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So with that we can end our quiz. The top scorer are first one Muthu sir, and then second one is BDK sir, and then third one is Indu ma'am, and then fourth position is VK sir, and fifth one is Sasi madam. Congratulations to these 5 members. So we can move with another game, connection program. Okay. So with that we can end our Kahoot game. Thank you all for your kind cooperation.
Hamita ma'am, are you sharing the PPT?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a
Okay.
minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the screen visible, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Professors, whether it is visible? Whether the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we can move with another one game. That is a connection game. You all know from Vijay TV. This type of game is continuously telecast. So now we can go with the connection game. By showing some pictures, you have to identify the name of that one. Okay, so we go with the first picture. So you have in the first slide you have 2 pictures. If you connect the 2 pictures, you get a name.
Machine learning.
Very
Learning.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, sir.
Machine learning, ma'am.
Okay. Correct answer is machine learning. So next one.
Digital mining.
Internet of Things.
Data mining.
Data mining.
Data mining is the correct answer.
Data mining.
Correct one, correct. Data mining. First picture is given as data. Next one is mining picture. So this one. Third slide is
Algorithm.
algorithm. Flow. It's not a flow chart. It is an algorithm. Very good, sir. Very good. Next one.
Digital IoT application.
IoT tool.
No. With these pictures, what we can do, like that, in student point
Wireless
of view.
communication device.
Interface devices.
Classification. Gaming.
Domestic application.
Gaming, you can say like that. Now, from that, the students in a contest and all that, they can give using any one of them. They can give their valid
Gadgets.
contest. They can attend.
Gadget.
Smart
Gaming gadget.
smart device.
Wireless application device.
No. In student point of view, can think of it. In the symposium and all that, they can give some go with some contest. Using that, they can give some contest.
Senthil Kumar sir have given us the answer as multimedia.
It is correct. Multimedia is correct. Correct answer is multimedia. Sorry. Next one is
Particle swarm.
first picture. You can realize the first picture. What is
Filter.
mean there? Filter. It is correct.
Genetic algorithm.
Filter, and then second picture.
Sperm.
Adaptive filter.
Different. In a different way, can sperm is a actual word, but relating to this filter and that one, you can give a answer.
Genetic algorithm.
I didn't get, sir.
Genetic algorithm.
Filter is the correct one. Filter is the correct one. Filter with the filter, what is the correct one? Second one, instead of sperm, you can use
Adaptive filter.
No, ma'am. Sperm, they have given sperm answer. You can
Algorithm.
you can give
Sperm algorithm.
You can give the pronunciation in different way. Instead of sperm, you can give it in a different way. You get along with the filter, you can get that one. Instead of pronouncing sperm, you can give it in a different pronunciation. You get a answer.
Filter.
Participants, you can type it in the chat box also. If you are not able to speak, you can type your answer in the chat box also.
So I can give an answer. Instead of sperm, you can pronounce it as spam. So you can get
Shiran
filter
sir
spam.
Spam filter. Filter spam.
Shiran sir has given the answer as data filter, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Correct answer is filter spam. Instead of pronouncing sperm, you can pronounce it as spam. You can get an answer. So next, you have two pictures.
Data sheet.
Blue data.
Data warehouse.
First one is data. Okay. Instead of go with the shirt.
Data
Also,
warehouse.
you can pronounce in different words. You can pronounce in different way. Yes, the starting letter is S only. Instead of pronouncing as shirt, you can pronounce in different way. Get a answer.
Data set.
Data.
Data
Sheet.
set. Data
Hello.
set.
Data
Data?
filter.
Data set.
Data
Ah,
sheet.
who's-
Anandi ma'am have given the answer as data sheet, ma'am.
No, no, no.
Data set.
Emmanuel
Data.
sir.
Data is
Data
correct. Another
filter.
one person have given. Correct
Data
answer.
filter.
Data
Data
set.
set. Correct one. Data set. This is correct.
Emmanuel sir has given the answer as data set, ma'am.
Correct one. Congratulations to all of them. Those who have given the correct answer. Next picture. So already right hand side picture you have familiarized with the word. Now first picture if you relate that you can get the answer.
Project based learning.
No, in different way. Instead of project you can go with another word.
Deep learning.
Deep
Ah,
learning.
No.
Machine learning.
No. Already machine learning first picture itself we have given. You can view the picture. What is
Game
that?
based learning. Game based
No.
learning.
Supervised
No.
learning. Supervised learning.
No, ma'am. No. You can view the picture. What is that? Whether it is a real picture or whether it is a real picture.
Imaginary
No.
learning.
Ma'am, Uma Maheshwari ma'am has given the answer as demo learning. And mind
Instead
game.
of demo.
Protocol.
No.
Prototype.
Revati ma'am has given the answer as mind game.
No. Students
Artificial.
have given, if you given an assignment means or any competitions and all that, they can go with some
Prototype learning.
in different way, ma'am, different way.
Project learning.
Activity
Project
based.
in project how they have shown. They have given us a
Demo learning.
instead of demo.
Model.
Model
Right,
based.
very good, ma'am. Very
Model
good.
based.
Model learning.
Devi Marutappan
Model
has
learning.
given the answer as model learning.
Correct one. Congrats to all of them. Next one. First picture is same one, model. Next one.
Model test.
Testing. Model testing.
Testing.
Correct one. Next one picture.
Classifier.
First picture.
Classifier.
Linear classifier.
Linear
Very
classifier.
good. Linear
Yes.
classifier. Very good. Next one. In the slide, you have 3 pictures. If you correlate 3 pictures, you get a name.
Classifier sheet.
Classified data.
Classifier is okay. Instead of going with sheet,
Classifier
you
sheet,
can go with that rose color indication.
Classifier rules.
You can go with the rose color indication.
Window.
Classifier margin, ma'am.
Very good. Classifier margin.
Super.
Very good. Next one.
Question tree.
Mind tree.
No. The
Question
question mark is related to what? For what we
Query.
can give question mark?
Where, why?
query. White tree.
So
Selection.
for what purpose we can give the question mark?
Selective tree.
Tree is correct. No. You can think for what purpose we can give question mark. What?
Answer
Three.
tree.
I didn't get
Answer tree.
answer. No.
Uma Maheshwari
Decision,
ma'am has
ma'am.
given the answer as decision.
Very good. Who said that decision is correct? Decision tree.
Decision.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Next picture is
Top down.
Arrow.
Top down.
top.
Down.
Very good, sir. Sir have given first one. Sir have given the first answer. Very good, sir. Top down. Down. Next one.
Neural network, ma'am.
Neural network is correct. First picture is neural network. Second one. Neural network.
Neural network computing.
Connectivity.
Okay. Neural network. We can go with neural network. Okay. Next picture.
Deep learning.
Deep learning.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Deep learning. Very good, sir. Next one.
Fine.
Ma'am, two picture or three picture?
What's that?
2 word or 3 word?
Linear.
Three pictures are there. So,
Okay.
that waveform indicates what? Waveform
Wavelet.
indicates what?
Rectifier, ma'am. Rectifier.
Very good. Rectifier.
Rectifier linear selection.
This one, what is this?
Unit.
Unit. Very good. Linear unit. Rectifier. Instead of rectifier,
Rectified.
rectified.
Linear.
Very good. Very good. Rectified
Rectified.
linear unit.
Unit.
Very good. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Next one.
Pumping data.
What?
Big data. Big data.
Big data.
Very good, ma'am. Big data.
Big data. Artificial neural network.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. Artificial neural network. So the correct answer is artificial neural network. Next one.
Sound learning, ma'am.
This was one type of learning, one method of learning. Okay.
Active learning.
Supervised learning.
What is
Supervised learning.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Supervised learning.
Very good, ma'am. Very good.
Computer graphic.
Vision.
Computer, okay.
Graphics.
What is this?
Graphics.
Graphics is
Graphics.
not correct.
Computer vision.
Game.
Very good,
Ah.
good, sir. Computer vision.
Computer.
His name is Vision, so computer vision. Next one. Only two word only, but the picture
Linear
here is
algorithm.
3 picture.
Linear algorithm.
Data set.
No. You can see the first picture. What does it indicate?
Teaching
Regression.
learning.
Graphical interface.
No. See the first picture. What does it indicate? Red color indicate what? Red color arrow indicate what?
Non-linear.
Increasing, ma'am.
Downward
What?
progression.
Okay, you said downward. What is this? G of x and f of
Guru
x?
Raj sir has given the answer as fuzzy logic.
No, it is incorrect, man. What is f of x and g of x?
Transfer function.
Function,
Transfer
okay.
function.
You can have it as a function.
Function.
It is not a transfer function, it is a function.
Linear function. Decreasing.
Decreasing, okay, but
Decremental function.
in money point of view, you can say
Incremental function.
in business oriented term.
Loss, ma'am.
What?
Loss function.
Very good.
Loss
Correct.
function.
Very good.
What is the answer?
Loss function. Loss function. Next one.
Blockchain, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Next one.
Map.
NEP 2020.
National
Very good,
education
sir.
policy.
Very good, sir. Very
National
good.
Educational Policy 20.
Very good.
2020.
Knowledge.
Demonstration based learning.
Laboratory based
Concept.
learning.
Experimental learning. Experimental
Very good.
learning.
Experimental learning. Very good, sir. Very good. this is the last picture. Okay. Thank you all. You are actively participated. The majority of them have
Right interest.
find the correct answers. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It's
Thank
really
you.
interesting.
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
Okay, friend, and thanks.
Right interesting, ma'am.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you.
Please share PPTs.
Whether you need this PPT, I can share it, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
In your group, I can share it, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you.
Feedback link is there for today.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can share it. Chandra,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
shall we? Yes, ma'am.
Whether you can start yours.
Okay, ma'am. Dear Professor, so far we have conducted 2 activities. That is, the first one is we have conducted the Kahoot quiz, and the second one is connection game. And this is the end of the activity, right? So it's time to hear from the participants also. Since this session is related with the national education policy, so we are here to have some input from the participants also. So I will give you the topic in the chat box so that professors you can share your views about the education policy in 2030. So I will give you the topic in the chat box. So the future scenario in 2030, in which the development of nation with NEP. So dear professors, you can share your views regarding this. So it's time to hear from you. If anybody is willing, kindly raise your hand and you can unmute your mic and you can speak. Yes, ma'am. Future scenario in 2030, development in nation with NEP. Uma Maheshwari, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
thinking about
Baladurai Kannan sir has raised. Ma'am, Uma Maheshwari, ma'am, are you going to speak?
No, ma'am, I'm thinking about it, ma'am. Let me take a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We will wait, ma'am. Next, Sridhar, sir.
Ma'am, I have an opinion on this NEP 2020, ma'am. I would like to share it with you.
Yes, sir. Now you can share, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this NEP 2020 is a very welcoming on this note that even for engineering or any other courses, it's not only engineering, but the students will also be learning economics, physical activities as part of the curriculum.
Yes.
That gives the student advantage of learning too many things. That is advantage, ma'am. But provided the institution is unable to bring in the facilities, then there can also be a disadvantage. What I feel is that the specialized courses the students may not be able to learn within the
Yes,
short frame of time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what I feel, ma'am.
Yes, sir. As teachers, we have to insist them to learn by themselves. In that aspect, we can also encourage the students, sir.
Yes, ma'am. This is what I feel, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you for
sir,
the
yes.
opportunity, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I think 3 of you have raised the hand. Next one is Uma Maheshwari, ma'am. Is this Uma Maheshwari, ma'am? Next, Dr. T. Suresh. Yes, ma'am. Uma, ma'am. Suresh, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
So, good afternoon to one and all.
Good afternoon,
It's
sir.
hard to speak in negative tone. As a teacher, we are saying that we are the nation builders and we are going towards many changes in the education policy. That's okay. But according to the teacher point of view, as like the government faculty, whether we are getting salary or not, it's not a concern in the educational policies. First thing. Second thing, whether we are getting salary through any treasury or anything. So maybe the people, the college owners and school owners, whether they are able to provide the salary like government. So these are the main core values that has to be considered by the government, but that are not included in the policies. So one side the policy is okay. So in the implementation side, who is going to implement it? Not only the owner, the stakeholders, mainly the teachers.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
in that point of view, whether the teacher is ready to do that, or whether they are educated accordingly to do these things, and whether they are have food for them. So that are the main questions. And what's happening in my mind, maybe few of you also having the same tone. So sorry to speak in negative tone related to these things. So according to the changes, okay, we are ready to change ourselves, but other side, the hidden side, that are no one is taking care of these things. For
Yes,
example, the government faculty is maybe school or school teacher or college teacher, how they are getting salary the same way the private college or school teachers are getting or not? What about the gap between the salary from government to private? Just see that. So it may be more than 10 times. In the school point of view, they may get around 5,000 to 7,000 per month. For these people are getting 50,000 to 70,000. Sorry, maybe some government people are here, but there is a lot of change needed in this side also. But no one is ready to address these changes. Sorry to say these words. Thanks for
yes,
the
sir. You are
opportunity.
actually really telling the truth only. But as teachers, we have to do our level best, sir. So that only we can do.
Here only we can say this. Thank you, ma'am.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So next, Baladurai Kannan, sir, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, good
Sir.
afternoon to all of them, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Actually, national education policy, they changed the traditional pattern 10 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So
Yes.
they divided the section into 4 sections. Actually, this type of changing is very needed because in traditional method, we are concentrating the students' education quality when he reaches 10th standard and also 12th standards. Before that, we never see about students ranking as well as students strength. So here they told that in initial level, that means in first stage, preschool and proportional period. So here they improve the activity of the students from by activity based class, interactive based class. So the students can learn from virtual method. Nowadays, many schools are changing due to virtual oriented classes. So by using this, we can learn more because practical knowledge is very important. Before that, the children can learn from virtual without speaking. So by using this method, the students can learn, understand the subjects easily. Here, the first thing is what they telling, teach the subject through mother tongue. So this is very important because children can learn the subjects or any information through mother tongue is easy compared to other language. But the only thing is they are forcing 2 Indian language plus 1 foreign language, because in Tamil Nadu we are following English and Tamil. Tamil is a mother tongue and English is foreign language. But in many states they are using 2 Indian language plus 1 foreign language. That means Tamil, Hindi, mother language, Hindi as well as English. But before going to that, they give the option likewise what means 1 mother tongue English as well as any European language, because nowadays we are knowing about in European countries a lot of opportunities available in for engineering as well as any graduate. students must learn the language in any European language is very important. And second thing is what the thing means, we are lagging in experiment learning and vocational learning. Actually, my father is having, he didn't complete degree, but he knows many things. He can construct the small buildings, and he can do some electrical working. He do plumbering working likewise. I asked my father, how you know it? He told that in school language, school level, we get the information like that. But in traditional, we are not getting experiment learning. So, vocational type of training is very, very important, man. Even though we know about engineering students, they are doing in lockdown period, they are doing painting work, and many staffs are doing painting work. So it is not a criticism, but we must take it as an advantage, because if we know something, something is better than nothing. So I am, from my point of view, this type of national education policy is changes is very, it's welcoming, I think, thing, ma'am. Okay, but
Okay.
it's not what the thing means. We must, the teacher must learn first. For that, the management as well as government also give training. For the training, they must do fund likewise. But I am approaching many staff members. They are telling that the funds from government is not much level. In previously, they are giving more fund, but now last due to lockdown, they are telling that the fund from the government is very less. Likewise, they are telling. So if the government gives the fund for staffs to promote their improve their skill, means it's better, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You have explained very well. Thank you, sir. Sir, anybody is willing to talk? Professors, anybody is willing to talk? Now the time is 3:25. So we have 5 more minutes. If you are ready to talk, you can raise your hand and you can talk. The feedback link is available in the chat box. Dear participants, thank you. Thank you one and all present here. Thank you all for your kind cooperation, and thank you for the for your interesting speech also. Thank you, sirs. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Before leaving, please give the feedback and then you leave. Thank you all for your patience in listening, as well as for your active participation in all the activities. Thank you all. With that, we can wind up the session now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Chandra ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Nurul ma'am. Thank you.
Professors, kindly fill the feedback and then you can leave.